The Tesla Semi has always stood out with its beast-like power, but this is clearly not the end of Tesla's ambitions. All Tesla semi-trucks seen so far are still considered prototype models. They were sent out to a few select companies for real-world testing and to gather performance feedback before Tesla locks in the final design and begins full-scale production at its upcoming manufacturing facility. Recent updates suggest the Tesla Semi is about to undergo notable changes, especially in the lighting department, pointing to the possible unveiling of Tesla Semi version 2. These changes may stir debate, but many customers might appreciate them. Before we dive deeper, welcome to Amp Drive. If you are passionate about electric vehicles and future technology, you're in the right place. And if you enjoy this content, please take a second to subscribe. We are growing fast, especially since our subscriber count is still under 1,000. Every new subscriber really counts and motivates us to keep bringing you powerful insights from the world of Tesla. Among all the electric vehicles Tesla has created, if any one product bends the laws of physics, it's definitely the Tesla Semi. Traditionally, a fully loaded semi-truck that weighs as much as 80,000 pounds would struggle in terms of speed, efficiency, and general practicality. That is why electric trucks were often doubted by experts. Even Bill Gates once stated that despite improvements in battery technology, electric trucks, cargo ships, and passenger planes were unlikely to be realistic alternatives to traditional fuel-powered engines. His argument was that batteries are too heavy and bulky for long-haul, high-performance needs. But Elon Musk disagreed, saying Gates did not fully understand the potential of electric trucks. To prove this, Tesla did not just make another typical electric vehicle. The Tesla Semi was developed to completely transform the logistics world. Musk believes it will be so revolutionary that it may actually encourage more people to stay in or return to the trucking profession, especially during this critical shortage of drivers in the United States. For the first time ever, an electric truck can travel close to 800 miles when unloaded and save approximately 1 million gallons of diesel fuel over time. That equals around $3.5 million in operational savings. Elon Musk often refers to it as a money-printing machine. However, since its announcement back in 2017, the Tesla Semi has been in a holding pattern. In fact, fewer than 500 units exist today. About half of them were delivered to clients, while the rest remain with Tesla for further analysis and internal use. Why the delay? Tesla wanted to gather long-term, real-world feedback from users like PepsiCo before moving into mass production. This testing period is crucial not just to iron out flaws, but also to study how the truck performs outside controlled environments. As expected, it would be irresponsible to begin full-scale production before knowing how the vehicle behaves on actual highways. With the Tesla Semi facility almost ready and this testing phase wrapping up, Tesla is revealing some exciting updates. Zangler, a longtime Tesla Semi enthusiast who often shares updates and drone footage of the production facility, recently posted a video of a semi-truck wrapped in shrink film. The visuals show a new front. Look possibly the updated version. Sharp eyes notice that the bumper, front fascia, and body lines seem more defined than the original model. This suggests the new version may feature a full light bar at the front, much like what we have seen in the Cybertruck or the new Model Y. We went ahead and created a digital rendering showing the Tesla Semi with the traditional headlights swapped out for a sleek light bar. What do you think? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. In our opinion, the updated design is more in line with Tesla's modern look and gives the Semi a sharper presence on the road. But that's not all. Dan Priestley, Tesla's senior manager for the Semi program, shared a few more changes last month. These include redesigned side mirrors for better aerodynamics and sightlines, drop glass for improved visibility, and enhancements that simplify daily use at ports or entry gates. Priestley also mentioned a new high-performance battery. Interestingly, this battery has slightly less energy than the one currently in use but still maintains the same driving range due to significant improvements in efficiency, over 7% better in fact. While these updates may seem minor, we believe Tesla is hiding more significant upgrades that it will reveal in due time. Even in its current prototype form, the Tesla Semi has already proven its capabilities, especially in real-world settings. Its range and efficiency remain unmatched by other electric trucks in its class. What separates the Tesla Semi is not just its distance per charge, but also how it performs consistently, even under harsh road conditions and full loads. Starting next year, Tesla plans to launch the Semi at a more affordable price. Elon Musk introduced a smart new pricing model that allows buyers to choose from different configurations based on their operational needs. For example, if a company only needs to drive around 250 miles per day, they can purchase a lower-range version of the Semi instead of the standard 500-mile version. This version will reportedly cost around $170,000, giving smaller businesses a cost-effective way to embrace electric trucking without overpaying for extra features they do not need. This new approach will likely benefit regional delivery services, city-based transport firms, and others who do not require long-haul capabilities. The flexibility to choose a range of 250 to 300 miles makes it easier for companies to avoid unnecessary expenses while still enjoying the powerful benefits of the Tesla Semi. Low operational costs, strong acceleration, and eco-friendly engineering. Tesla has also trimmed the high-end tech like extended range and full self-driving software in the base versions. This significantly lowers the upfront investment and opens the door to a broader market. PepsiCo's drivers who have been testing the Tesla Semi have nothing but praise for the vehicle. One driver said he drives over 400 miles each day and finds the truck to be extremely comfortable. Others have pointed out how quiet and smooth the ride is, how much better the visibility is, and how the cabin feels more spacious and user-friendly than even some passenger cars. Tesla semi-trucks have already been delivered to companies like PepsiCo, DHL, Martin Brower, Costco, SIA, Walmart, and WADV. Recently, ABF Freight, a division of ArcBest, completed its own real-world trial. Their Tesla Semi covered nearly 4,500 miles over a 3-week test. This included travel between cities like Reno, Nevada, and Sacramento, California. They also ran regional routes and rail shuttles in the Bay Area. Their report shows the Semi averaged around 321 miles per day, with an energy efficiency of 1.55 kilowatt-hours per mile. That is a very impressive number. Previous electric trucks averaged 1.7 kilowatt-hours per mile, so Tesla's Semi clearly shows improvement. Even better, the truck climbed Donner Pass, which reaches elevations of over 7,200 feet with no problem. Drivers reported the vehicle handled well, felt safe, and was very comfortable. Many of them praised the central driver's seat, wide viewing angles, and intuitive controls. Musk has often bragged about the Semi's acceleration, and for good reason. Diesel trucks usually climb 5% grades at about 45 miles per hour. Tesla Semi can do it at 6 to 5 miles per hour. Even more impressive, the Tesla Semi is believed to be the first electric truck capable of climbing a 10% slope at 60 miles per hour while fully loaded. Diesel trucks trying to do the same thing can barely crawl at 30 miles per hour and often cause slowdowns or worse. Many electric trucks just cannot match that kind of performance, which gives the Semi a huge advantage. Driver feedback has continued to align with what we have heard from PepsiCo operators. Everyone praises the ease of use, comfort, visibility, and overall experience. And version 2 of the Tesla Semi is expected to make things even better with more advanced tech and full self-driving features. Tesla is actively testing full autonomy, and if successful, it could address one of the biggest challenges in the logistics sector, the shortage of drivers. With self-driving capability, the Tesla Semi not only improves road safety, but also reduces driver fatigue and increases operational efficiency. Plus, with global expansion in mind, Tesla could soon offer the Semi in Europe and beyond. This is crucial as countries work to lower emissions and switch to clear transport alternatives. Elon Musk often reminds people that although large trucks represent only 1% of vehicles on the road, they contribute to nearly 20% of vehicle emissions. That makes the Tesla semi-essential in the broader fight against climate change. Tesla's approach is more than just an engineering feat. It represents a real step forward in creating clean, efficient, and smart transportation solutions. The Tesla Semi, with its better design, lower running costs, and lower environmental impact, is poised to be a game-changer. So, if Tesla continues refining this electric beast, we are looking at a future where self-driving, electric-powered trucks dominate the roads. That's not just a step forward, it's a transformation that will affect every aspect of our transport system. From delivery services to cross-country freight, the Tesla Semi is shaping up to be the ultimate solution. Let us know what you think about the refreshed version. Are you excited about version 2 of the Tesla Semi? Drop your comments below and don't forget to subscribe to AMP Drive so you do not miss future updates. Thanks for watching, and we will see you again soon.